Sophiemochi. My name is Sophie, and today we are going to be baking brownies. Today I brought my friends, and I would like to introduce them to you. You are
Chloe.
You are
Adeline.
And this is
Brian.
So Adeline, Chloe, and Brian. We are going to be using Ghirardelli dark chocolate for our team because we are going to make teams separately, and then and Adeline and Chloe are going to be making
The chocolate supreme.
Okay, so the instructions, I'm going to read mine, then you read yours, Adeline. So we will need 1/4 cup of water and 2 cups of vegetable oil and 1 egg. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare baking pan by lightly greasing or spraying with non-sticking cooking spray. That's what we're going to do at the end of the video once we have our mix. Then this is more of the part where we do the mixing. It says, place water, oil, and eggs in a medium bowl and stir until fully mixed. Add brownie mix and stir until well blended. Spread in prepared pan. Baked as direction below, brownies are ready to be removed from oven when center and set and the edges have begun to pull away from sides of pan. Cool completely in pan and before cutting. So that's the end part when we do pour it in the pan, that pan over there. So, Adeline, why don't you read yours?
You will need 1/4 cup of water, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and 1 egg. To preheat the oven, you will need 325 Fahrenheit. Prepare baking pan by lightly greasing or spraying with non-stick cooking spray. Then place water, oil, and egg in medium bowl and stir until fully mixed. Add brownie mix and chocolate syrup in close. Stir until well blended. Spread in prepared pan. Bake as directed below. Brownies are ready to remove from oven when center is set and edges have begun to pull away from side of pan. Cook completely in pan before cutting.
And that's for her chocolate supreme brownies. Brian and I are going to be making the dark chocolate, and Adeline and Chloe, as I said already, are going to do chocolate supreme. So let's get to that. First, let's get out the water. So, now we are going to show you on how to make it. First, Brian is going to be pouring the water into this cup, and I will tell him when to stop. So are you ready, Brian? Here you go. You pour it in the water, and I'll tell you when it's done. Add a little bit more, just a little bit more, so it's one. So a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Good job, Brian. Now the chocolate supreme team is gonna do theirs.
Yes.
Okay. Now we're going to pour the water in. So are you ready, Adeline?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we added the water in. Now we're going to add oil. So we're going to be using that cup for this part. Let's move the water aside. Yeah. Okay. So you just need to pour it now, Chloe. Or maybe who's going to do it. Okay. So go ahead and pour it to 1.5 cup. Okay, now may I have the vegetable oil, please? Oh, let's put the whisk over here real quick. Oh yeah, but we're gonna need 2 for everyone. So, okay. So Adeline already poured hers for her chocolate supreme team. Now I'm going to be pouring the Oreo into 1.5 cup. Okay. So now that we added Oreo, we're going to both pour it into the mix. Now we'll need to crack 1 egg. Let's crack the egg. I'm going to be using the edge of the bowl to crack the egg. See, it made a little indent if you use the edge of the bowl. Next, you crack it like this, then just open it. Now let's mix it. Right now they're using the whisk, so I'm just going to use the spatula because I don't have the whisk. We are supposed to stir it until it is a smooth, regular texture. Would you like to do a little bit of the stirring, Brett? Here, I can hold the bowl just in case it falls. Can I try doing it again? Okay, thank you. There's still a few bubbles in my texture. So let's just keep on stirring it. How's yours doing, Adeline?
Still bubbly there.
Yeah, mine is also bubbly. Okay, mine is getting a little better. Sorry that we had to stop the video. We resumed it real quick because I needed to get a whisk. So now we are going to be putting the powder inside our mix. Brian, would you like to open the box? Okay, so they're opening their box. Let's get the powder out. Does the powder look different from each other? Nah, I think they look the same, do they?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
They do.
I think that looks more orange. I don't know. There's chocolate chips inside here. I can feel them. So, I'm going to open this bag for the powder. I don't think I'm going to really need scissors for this, but if I do need scissors, I will be able to use it. Okay. I opened it. Has a little bit of crust, but I'm okay. So now I'm just going to pour it in. I see you're also pouring yours in. Wait, I think it's the full, yeah, it's the full bag. Wow, that's a lot of powder. We both got so much powder, you know?
I know it's
It smells like hot chocolate. I'm just gonna pour this in. Now I'm gonna whisk it.
This is too much. Way too much.
So Brand, can you help me whisk it?
It's mixing it.
It's a little bit clumpy. It's clumpy in the whisk.
Oh yeah.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
Just stir it. Are you guys okay? So we had to fast forward that because the mixing took a while. So now we're both mixing.
Brand smile.
Okay.
Is it orange?
Let's continue mixing. How's yours doing?
It's dark.
we added some of the powder that fell out because some of it went messy, and you know, it got everywhere. So that's why we're mixing it now, and everything seems to be more under control than before, at least. And my fingers are still dirty, but it's okay. That baking is dirty. So let's just continue mixing. You don't want to see any light brown spots for the powder. You just want it to be like opaque color. Like theirs and ours, they're very opaque. So let's see. We're going on a treasure hunt to see if there's any like light brown spaces in here. Light brown?
Oh, yeah. I see a lot. Look.
I know. I can't see any light brown right now as well. I think I saw something. Okay. I think I already mixed that part up. How's yours doing?
Good. Still
Looks kind of like hair now. Looks very chunky. Chunky.
Chunky.
Chunky.
Chunky.
Chunky.
Spin. Spin.
Let me clean up the...
We're messy.
You guys need to clean up the edges. You guys, Hannah, Adeline, why don't you use the spatula to clean up the edges? So I'm gonna just clean up the edges right now. I'm just like using the force to like the force from Baby Yoda. Okay. And I'm basically cleaning up the edges. Yeah, I think you're getting a hang of it. Yeah. I think that's all the light brown spots for ours. Is there any light brown spots on yours?
No.
Not really.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, I gotta help you.
We'll do it a little
I
bit.
think mine.
We have a little bit
wait,
because we're
there's
gonna mix
edges.
it
Okay.
one more.
I don't think we got all of it
chunky.
here. Okay, so we all finished making our mix for our brownies. Now we are going to take turns using this non-stick cooking spray. So once we pour the brownies mix into the mold, it won't stick. You know, right? So we're gonna take turns using this. I'm gonna spray it real quick. Oh my, that's a lot. But we'll need a lot. So we need to do it in a circle rotation, but it makes like a steam, just a small little thing. Okay, I think that's enough. Your turn. It comes out a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna. So
It's like a more.
there was the
It's like a more thing.
Okay.
I think we way too much.
Yeah, we did do way too much. But it's okay. That means it won't be. Okay, so we added some more of the cooking spray, but for now it's called a baking spray because we're using it for baking. So we used a spatula. Each one of us took a spatula. You used this one. And then we were using this one to spread it. Now we're going to be pouring our mix into our mold. Okay, so we added some more of the baking spray and we used a brush to spread it out. Now we're going to be pouring our mix into our pan. So let's go do that. I'm going to hold it and Brian, you can use this spatula and you're going to basically scrape it off. Let me take out the brush real quick so it doesn't get dirty. Okay, right. Let me move it.
Why is it so heavy?
I don't know. It's
Why
also
is it
heavy.
so
Okay,
heavy?
scrape it.
I think it's heavy
Scrape
because
off
we
the
like
excess.
we
You know what
took
how
a
to
lot
do
of
it?
it.
Yeah.
You know, a
Scrape
lot
off
of
the
it.
side.
That's why it's so heavy.
Yeah, I think that's Yeah, go like that.
Spray this part.
Here, go like this. Go like
Spray
this.
this part.
Go like
It's
this.
so clean now.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
now
all the way up
push
there.
the last
Yeah, that's
part.
how you do it. Yeah, good
Just
job,
a
Brian.
couple more
Yes,
sprays,
that's a big.
Yes, a couple more sprays.
Yeah, come on.
You got it.
Come on, you can grab it. Come on.
You tired?
You
I'll
grab
help
it.
you hold
No,
it. I'll help you hold
Brian, get it all. You need to help me get it all out, please. Okay.
You got it on my finger.
I think we had too much.
Okay, come
I think we had this enough.
on. Do it hard. Press it against the bowl. See?
Tissue, please?
Press it. Yeah, that's very. So we are continuing pouring right now, and we're almost finished actually.
And it's a bit messy.
Okay, try getting. Yeah, it is very messy. My fingers are wet. We're probably gonna need to like wash our hands after this.
Yeah, I guess so.
And yeah, try scraping on the sides of the bowl.
Don't put it on my hand.
On the sides. Try scraping. Side to side. Yes, side to side. Side to side.
Drop down.
You see that you're
Maybe I
going up
should
and
go
down?
like
Try
this.
going side to side.
Drop.
Yeah, like that.
Drop.
Then just
Is that
then go
harder?
forward.
So,
yeah,
you know.
like that. Yeah. So you can make a pile. Okay, I can handle the rest.
Okay, that's good.
Can I take it? Thank you.
Wait, I'll spread it.
Okay.
Oh, you're not doing it.
I don't know.
Are you done yet?
Let's get this
Yes.
all out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yours is looking. You almost got all of yours out.
How about yours? You're done?
I still got a few scraps left,
Yeah, we got a couple scraps.
but I want to get all of it out. And that's the goal. The goal is to get all of it, because we're also going to be sharing these brownies once we're finished with more people. Because this is going to be like a lot, because there's a lot of batter mix, as we can see here, to scrape out especially. Okay, so I think I got most that I can get out.
Is this
Ooh,
enough?
It got everywhere.
Is this enough?
I mean, yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, everything is dripping.
Yeah.
You gotta wash everything.
Okay, so we got all the batter into the mold. So I think it's ready to be put into the oven. And we'll see you later. Okay, now we're both going to put it in the oven. So here, she's going to put it in the oven for us. So we, okay, so we're going to let them cook for 30 minutes. So see you in 30 minutes. Bye. For now. Okay, so now that our brownies are done baking up to 45 to 50 minutes, we're going to be using toothpicks, everyone has one, to poke into the brownie to see if it is ready or not. If your brownie is sticky, that means it's not ready. If it is like a regular brownie and not sticky at all and not moist, then your brownie's ready. So let's go test ours. Brian, you have your toothpick, right? Okay. Let's see. Does it stick? No, not really. What about yours? Okay.
No, nice.
Okay.
Cool.
We're good. Okay. So that's how you make brownies for the Ghirardelli. Oh my! I just broke my. So that's how you make the brownies.
Look, mine's.
Wow. Okay. So see you next time. Bye.
Bye bye.